Hi everyone and welcome back. This is an oil painting by the great landscape artist Ivan Shishkin, and this is a watercolour painting that I've done of Ivan Shishkin's original painting. So let's take a quick look at how I done it. So the paper I used for this was Daily Rowney Langton Prestige, £140 cold pressed, and the brushes that I used, apart from a 3/4 inch flat, they were all small round brushes. I don't think I used anything bigger than a number 6. So if you're a hake brush painter or a mop brush painter, you're probably shaking your head in disgust at this right now. I don't know why, but some artists seem to think that any watercolour brush less than a size 12 is the work of the devil or something. It really isn't. It's just a detail brush, that's all it is. But anyway, each to their own, and I guess it's a case of choosing the right tool for the right job and the one that suits you best, the one you get the best results with. Now, the paints that I used for this were actually Cotman, student quality paints. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, John, you've been painting and drawing for nearly 40 years. Why don't you get some better paints? Well, I've got some. I've got plenty, actually. I've got White Knights, they're brilliant paints. Sonnet, they're great paints too. I've also got some Sennelier, some Daniel Smith. I've got a lot of the Winsor & Newton artist quality, and I use them all and enjoy them all. But for certain things, Cotman can be very good, especially for things like pencil and wash, where you're probably doing a lot of layering, you need a lot of control with your paints. Sometimes artist quality can be almost too strong, whereas Cotman paints, the fact that they're student quality, they're not particularly strong, but they're a lot easier to control. And I've used them for nearly 40 years, and I've never had a bad word to say about them. Again, if they work for you, use them. If they don't use them. I did actually use two artist quality paints in this. I used Winsor & Newton Cobalt Blue and Winsor & Newton Lemon Yellow. And that's something else I tend to do quite a lot actually. Mix student grade and artist grade paints together, even mixing up different manufacturers' paints. Doesn't bother me at all. Now, if you're interested in painting along with this one, or learning some of the techniques that I used to create this painting, there's a full tutorial of this over on my Patreon channel. It's a 7-part video series. Everything's covered in there. It's all in real time, no voiceovers or anything like that. And all the videos are advert free. It only costs £5 a month, and you can leave anytime you like. You're not tied in or committed to anything. And my Patreon channel has got literally thousands of tutorials over there for you, ranging from beginners to intermediates to advanced in both watercolour, graphite drawing, ink drawing, mixed media. There's all sorts over there for you. If you want to get an idea of the type of work I do, just have a quick look through some of the videos on my YouTube channel, because pretty much all of them, apart from one or two, they're all lessons over on my Patreon channel. And there's more lessons over on Patreon as well that didn't actually get onto YouTube. So there's a lot over there for you. I'll leave links to Patreon in the end screen cards and the description below. And also, have a look online for Ivan Shishkin's work. It's amazing. He really is a true master of landscape painting. In fact, there's a YouTube video, I think it's about an hour long. I can't remember the name of the channel, but it's just back-to-back Ivan Shishkin oil paintings. And I sat through and watched a whole hour's worth of it the other evening. Thoroughly enjoyable, really inspirational. In fact, I've been really getting into Ivan Shishkin's work just lately. I've just recently finished a graphite drawing of one of his paintings as well. Really is an inspiration, fantastic artist. So have a look online at some of his work. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Okay, so thanks very much for viewing, everyone. As always, would appreciate the thumbs up, and I always enjoy reading your comments. Okay, so I hope you like the finished watercolour. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.